Hey guys, so here is another example of another problem where we have to create a line plot. So this one says the Millerston Town Knitting Club is having a scarf knitting competition for charity. They recorded the length of the scarves that were entered in the competition. Scarves are measured in feet. So we have all of our data, 9.5, 8, 7s, 9, 6.5, all the way, right? So what we're going to do first is going to, first write the numbers, the data, and then organize them again from smallest to greatest. So we're going to look at the smallest number here would probably be a 6. Oh, a 6.5 it is. So 6.5. Again, cross off the number so you don't go back and double count it on accident. The next number here would be a 7, and I see a 7 here. Let's see, another 7 here. And that's it, because then we have 7.5. Cross this one off, go down, we have another 7.5. And then one more. Then my next number would be an 8 or an 8.5. So we do have 8, so I'm going to cross this one off, go down here, have another 8, and then another 8, 3 8s right there. Next number would be 8.5. Cross this off, and that's it. I don't have any other 8.5s. Next number would be a 9, and I have another 9. And then I have two last numbers, which are 9.5. I can cross these two off. Now that I have these numbers, remember I make my vertical line, and I'm going to look at how many numbers I'm going to put in my data chart. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, because these, okay, so these are the same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so these are my separate numbers. So again, I'm going to put 7 dashes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And for this one, the smallest one is going to be 6.5. Then I have a 7, 7.5. And I'm going to have an 8, an 8.5, and then a 9, and a 9.5. Okay, so now I have created my new chart. How many 6.5s do I have? Just one. How many 7s? I have 2. 1, 2. This is a 7.5, and I have 3 of those. Then my 8s, I have 3. Almost look like a 4, but this is an 8.5, and I just have 1, 2 9s, and then 2 9.5s. So that's my data line plot, and I'm gonna title it maybe. Let me remember the name of the town. It was called the Millerston Knitting Club. So I'm gonna put here's my title is gonna be Knitting Club Competition. So again, don't forget to put your titles in the ones that you guys are turning into your work, okay? So again, log into office hours if you need more help. I hope this video has been helpful.